Welcome to ClickFix tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your mouse not working in GTA San Andreas. We'll go through two methods, so let's get started. Method 1. First, open the game as you normally would. Once the game is running, press the Windows key on your keyboard to return to the home screen. Next, right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. If your Task Manager is in a simplified view, click on More Details at the bottom left to expand it. Inside Task Manager, locate the process named GTASA.exe. You may need to scroll down to find it. Right-click on GTASA.exe and select Go to Details. In the Details tab, right-click on GTASA.exe again and choose Set Affinity. This is where we'll allow GTA San Andreas to run on just one processor core. You can select any core, just make sure only one is checked. Important note, remember, you'll need to repeat this process every time you start the game. If the mouse problem continues, you might need to switch which CPU core you assign to the game. Now, return to your game, and you should find that your mouse works properly. Method 2. For a more permanent solution, we'll need to download a specific file. Open your preferred web browser and in the search box, type dinput8.dll for GTA San Andreas. Look for the site and click on it. Once on the site, scroll down until you see the download button. Click on it, wait for around 20 seconds, and then click on download again. The file will be downloaded as a .rar archive. After the download is complete, you'll need to extract the dinput8.dll file from the RAR file. To extract the RAR file, you'll need a program like WinRAR or 7-zip. If you don't have a dedicated extraction tool, you can also use Windows' built-in extraction feature. Right-click on the downloaded .rar file and select Extract All, or Extract Here, depending on your preference. This will produce the dinput8.dll file. Locate the extracted dinput8.dll file, right-click on it, and click Copy. Now, find the main directory of your game. If you're not sure where it is, you can right-click the game shortcut or executable and select Open File Location. Once you're in the correct directory, simply paste the dinput8.dll file by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Now, start the game again and check if the mouse works. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and take care.